Look at him, aren't they?
Y'all hit him real well.
Get some eggs, Maggie. Send it in, it might be good.
Get some eggs out there.
He's probably gonna go get his out of Maggie's basket.
He's gonna go get the broom.
Get out of there.
He loves brooms.
Alright, so shoot one, 100 yards, so that
It's a
bigger
new
one.
broom.
They're not. Pack driver.
He got the razor, but he's right out of
Sydney,
Shoots 1 inch at 100 yards.
go get in there.
Look, Sydney, here's one. Here's one. Get that one. Sydney, you got an egg.
Yay, Sydney.
Go get some more and bring it back. There's some more. There's two.
He prefers to sweep them up. He wants to sweep. He wants to make a clean sweep here.
He said, man, somebody throw eggs all over the floor. I gotta pick them up. He said, I've never seen nothing like this.
Sydney, get your egg.
Now he wants to swim.
They don't know if it's fun or just making them pick up eggs.
It's just work.
One life.
Get your basket and come get these eggs.
Yeah, Maggie's really got the idea too.
Well, I'm gonna play.
Favorite thing in the whole world.
Yay, Sydney.
Well, Cozy Coot's not looking too good there.
Come on, let's pick the eggs up. Put them in your basket.
Here, Max, get off the floor, sweetie.
Look there, I found me 3.
She sees the slide, she's gonna be done.
No, but it's not ready. Let's go get these eggs.
Did you get any pictures? Hey, you want these?
Hunter.
Max, what's in that swing? I see an Easter egg. Ooh. Pick them up. Pick up the eggs first.
And put them in your basket.
Come on. It's hard to find
Go find some more eggs. Go find some more.
Hunter, why don't you go pick up an egg?
Maggie, did you lose your basket?
She, sliding is her most favorite thing in the world. So she's gonna have to slide.